This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening to all of you. So last class we covered simple and compound interest. You know how to find the simple interest SI is equal to PTR by 100, and how to find the amount under the compound interest. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. So in that, what is P? What is Q? Okay. So any doubt up to that? So write down the next topic. Write down. Write down the next topic. So coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. So as a part of reasoning, as a part of logical reasoning, we covered 3 topics: series, that may be number series or letter series, and the second one is the analogy, number analogy or letter analogy, and third one is classification, odd one out. So letter odd one out or number odd one out. So continuation topic ma coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. So to solve the problems related to coding and decoding, we need to remember the numeric numbers of the letters again. So A1, B2, C3. All of you know how to remember this one? What is the numeric number of P? What is the
16,
numeric
sir.
number of P? 16. So all of you remember the logic? What is the numeric number of S?
19, sir.
19.
sir.
Good. What about the F ma?
6, sir.
What about the
6,
T?
sir. 6.
20, sir.
20.
20,
What
sir.
about J?
10, sir.
10.
10,
What
sir.
about
10.
N? What about N?
14,
Sir,
sir.
10, sir.
Number 14.
14.
N 14.
14. 14.
So all of you remembered ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the opposite letter for A? The sum
Z,
should
sir.
the sum
sir.
should be 27. What is the opposite letter?
Sir,
Z,
Z.
sir.
Z. What about D opposite?
W, sir.
W. What about T opposite?
G, sir.
G. And moreover, everyone remembered how to remember the numeric numbers of the letters. Okay. So the sum should be 27 ma. The sum should be 27. So T20, G7, 27. So hope all of you understood. Yes. So there are two types of coding and decoding. There are two types of coding and decoding. So why should you have to go for coding and decoding is, in a certain language, they mentioned in a certain language, always they are using alphabetical English language now. So by using that particular language, they may use the word yes, I, S, T, E, R. By using that, we know the numeric number of S is 19. Say yes or no? The numeric number of I is 9, and the numeric number of S is again 19, and the numeric number of T is 20, and the numeric number of E is 5, and the numeric number of R is 18. Cleared, all of you? So I want to add plus 3 to each letter. I want to add plus 3 to each letter. So 19 plus 3, 22. What is the 22 letter? B. Similarly, what is the 9 plus 3 ma? What is the 9 plus 3? 12. What is the 12th letter?
L,
L.
sir.
Good.
L,
What is the
sir.
19 plus 3? 22. Again, V nena.
Yes, sir.
So again ma, 20 plus 3, 23. What is the 23rd letter?
W.
W. 5 plus 3. So what is the 5 plus 3? 8th letter. 18 plus 3, 21. What is the 21 letter?
U, sir.
U. Get it, all of you? So they mention in a certain language, SISTER is coded as VLVWHU. VLVWHU. You have to identify. How can you get a VLVWHU from sister? To by identifying the logic, you can write. So what is the code for? DAUGHTER? So the same logic, whatever the logic is applicable for sister to get VLVWHU. Here already we know plus 3 is the logic. The same logic is also applicable for DAUGHTER. Understood, all of you? Clear? So sister is coded as, in a certain language, sister is coded as VLVWHU. Then daughter is coded as what? Daughter is coded as what? That is the meaning of coding and decoding. That is the meaning of coding and decoding. The first one is replacement coding. The first one is replacement coding. So whenever you have to go for the replacement coding, it means each letter is replacing with the other. S is replacing with V, I is replacing with L, S is replacing with V, T is replacing with W, E is replacing with H, R is replacing with U. When for every letter we need to go for plus 3 is the logic. Sometimes the logic is whatever the logics we find previously in number series, letter series. Okay, the same logics are also applicable here. The series logic is plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 4. So you have to identify which logic it follows. Hope all of you understood. Yes or no? Second one is rearrangement coding. Second one is rearrangement coding. Rearrangement is nothing but in a certain language, circle is coded as, G, C, I, C, R, L. The same letters you have to replace with, you have to rearrange with the letters. So CIR, CLE, by using one particular logic, all letters are rearranged. You have to identify what is the logic. By identify the logic, you have to get a sphere is coded as. What? So if you observe clearly, so CIR, CLE from the reverse ma, E, C, I, ECI, and coming to from forward, C, R, L. So the same logic here also applied from back, E and E, P from forward S H R. So hope all of you understood. So this type of coding and decoding is called
Yes, sir.
rearrangement coding. This type of coding and decoding is called rearrangement coding. Get it, all of you? But in replacement coding, you have to go with a different one more. Replacement nothing but letter to letter, letter to letter. Second one is letter to number. So each letter replacing with a letter, each letter replacing with a number, each number, each digit ma. Okay, each digit replacing with the letter, each digit replacing with the letter. And next one is substitute coding. I will explain each and every model, don't worry. Next one is mixed letter or mixed number coding. Mixed letter or mixed number coding. One by one, we have to follow letter to letter, how to approach. Letter to number, number to letter. What is the meaning of substitute coding? Mixed letter. So shall we start the examples?
Sir, I didn't get, sir. Once again, explain, sir.
Where ma?
Sir, this sister and daughter circle, sir.
So here you have to write the numeric numbers of the letters. S19, I9, S19, so T20, E5, R18. Okay. For each letter, I want to add +3. I want to add +3. The first letter becomes 22. The second letter becomes 9 plus 3, 12. 19 plus 3, 22. 20 plus 3, 23. 5 plus 3, 8. 18 plus 3, 21. So 22 letter is V. 12th letter L. 22nd letter B. 23rd letter W. 8th letter H. And 21st letter is U. So in exam point of view, they are not giving the logic directly. Okay. So we have to identify the logic in by using which logic? By using which logic? SISTER is coded as VLVWHU. You have to identify that logic. Sir, after writing the numeric numbers of the letters, +3 is the logic. So whatever the logics it follow for SISTER, you can implement the same logic for sister. You can implement the same logic for sister. D4, A1, U21, G7, H8, T20, T20, E5, and R18. So after writing the numeric numbers of the letters, SISTER follows. What is the logic? +3 is the logic. So 7, 1 plus 3, 4, 21 plus 3, 24, 7 plus 3, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 8 plus 3, 11, 20 plus 3, 23, 5 plus 3, 8, 18 plus 3, 21. So once if you know what is the seventh letter, what is the seventh letter? G. What is the fourth letter?
D, sir.
D. What is the 24th letter? X.
X.
So 10th letter J, 11th letter K, W, H, U. Understood, all of you? So in exam point of view, they are not giving all these logics. You have to identify the logic. So here +3 is the common difference. Okay. Don't think that always all the letters follow the same logic, but the difference should be first letter +1, second letter +2, third letter +3, +4, +5. Whatever the logics we learned in number series or letter series, number analogy or letter analogy, number odd one out or letter odd one out, the same logics are also implemented here. Sometimes the logic is -1 + 1, -1 + 1, -1 + 1. Sometimes -1 + 2, -3, plus 4. Hope all of you understood. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall I move for example?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that
Write down.
circle, sir.
Circle. Rearrangement ma. Same letters we can rearrange in a different way by using on logic. Okay. So CIRCLE. Last letter, fourth letter, second letter. ECL. Sorry, ECI. And from the first ma. First, third, and fifth. CRL. Alternative positions letters from back to front and front to back alternatively.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So did you remember in analogy problems I explained on example? Therefore, THEREFORE is coded as TEE alternative positions. Did you remember?
I missed the analogy class, sir.
Okay. So next one, write down the examples. Write down. There are two types of coding and decoding. There are two types of coding and decoding. First one is replacement coding. First one is replacement coding. And the second one is rearrangement coding. First one is replacement coding and the second one is rearrangement coding. So letter to letter means S replacing with V. Okay, that is called letter to letter. In case ma S is replacing with 1, that is letter to number, or number to letter. 1 means S. Okay. Write down. If in a certain language, I already explained how to remember the numeric numbers of the letters easily. So this is not the right time to learn ABCDs, ma. And we are not the 4th class student or 5th class student to learn ABCDs again. If in a certain language, MADRAS, Madras is coded as Madras is coded as NBESBT. How is Bombay coded? How is Bombay coded in that code? How is Bombay coded in that code? So first of all, identify ma.
+1, sir.
Yes, ma.
Sir, it
Yes.
is
Just you have to.
CP. Sir, it is CP and
So for
CBZ, sir.
2 to 3 examples, just note down the numeric numbers of the letters. And moreover, first letter and second letter don't justify your answer. Okay. So Madras is coded as NBSBT. Numeric numbers of the letters. First of all, write down. Then you understand properly. M13. Okay.
Answer is CP and CBZ, sir.
Yes, ma. A1, D4, R18, A1, S19. N14, B2, E5, S19, B2, T20. So please identify the logic ma. For each letter +1. 13 becomes 14 +1. 1 becomes 2 +1. 4 becomes 5 +1. 18 becomes 19. 1 becomes 2. 19 becomes 20. Apply the same logic for Bombay also. Apply the same logic for Bombay. So B2, O15, M13, B2, A1 and Y25. So plus 1. Hope all of you understood, ma? CP and CPZ. Please note down, plus 1 is the logic for each letter. Plus 1 is the logic for each letter. Next one. Next one. If in a certain code, please concentrate on each and every letter. Don't think that first letter and second letter is -1. Then the remaining letters may follow or may not follow. We don't know. Please understand. TRIPPLE, TRIPPLE is coded as TRIPPLE is coded as SQHOOKD. SQHOOKD. How is dispose? How is dispose written in that code? How is dispose written in that code? How is dispose written in that code?
-1 letter.
How is dispose written in that code? So TRIPPLE. The numeric numbers are T20. For first 2 to 3 examples, please note down R18, I9, P16, L12, E5. E5. So all of you get it, ma? What is the logic? -1 is the logic for each letter. 20 -1, 18 -1, 9 -1, 16 -1, 12 -1, and 5 -1. Akshay, get it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next one. Next one.
Sir, the previous answer is CHRUNRT, no, sir?
Huh?
Previous answer is CHRONRT, no, sir?
Yes, ma.
Okay, sir.
COULD. In a certain language, COULD is written as, in a certain language, COULD. So C3, O15, U21, L12, D4, D4.
It is +1, sir.
+1 or -1, ma?
Answer
+1
is
or -1?
-1, sir.
-1. So they given two statements for reference. One is COEL code and the second one is the margin, MARGIN. So by identifying the logic from both the statements, the logic is -1. The logic is -1. So hope all of you understood. So for each letter you have to check 3 -1, 15 -1, 21 -1, 12 -1, 4 -1. Here 13 -1. Actually I told clearly the cycle is repeated. A1, B2, Z26. Again start with A27. Here A treated as 27. So that is the reason 27 -1, 26 ma. 18 -1, 17. 7 -1, 6. 9 -1, 8. 14 -1, 13. So apply the same logic for each letter. -1 is the logic. LNTK CHMF. Next one. Next one. In a certain code, computer is written as in a certain code, computer is written as in a certain code, computer is written as RFUV QNPC. How is medicine is written in the same code.
It is like this, sir. It is R, sir. From coming to the last one, sir. Like R means R, E means F, T means U, and P means Q, M means N, O means P. After C means C. Like that, it is there, sir.
So first of all, write down the reversing letters of the word ma. Computer. Computer means COMPUTER. Reversing the letters of the word ma. RETUPMOC. First of all, write down the numeric numbers of the letters. RETUPMOC. The first letter and last letter will be same. Okay, there is no change. But E5, T20, U21, P16, M13,
Sir, the
O15.
answer is, sir, the answer is EOJD JEFM, sir.
Exactly, ma, correct. So RF, UV, QN, PC. So you have to identify the logic properly. So computer, reversing the letters of the given word, plus after each letter, +1 is the logic ma. First letter and last letter will be no change. For the middle letters, you have to add +1. So this is important one, but not difficulty one ma. Okay, not that much of difficulty one. So try to spend less time, because already we spend more time for 3 topics: series, analogy, and classification. So there is no change between the first letter and last letter. So for the remaining letters, we have to add +1. Same, medicine, first letter and last letter, there is no change. For the middle letters, we have to add +1. So EO, JD, JE, FM. Get it, all of you?
Yes.
Next one. So I hope everyone have some idea about series, analogy, these continuation topics 4. Write down. Monkey is coded as, monkey is written as, monkey is written as XDJ, XDJ, MNL, XDJ, MNL.
Sir, it is reverse of the letter and -1, sir.
Reverse minus.
Reverse of the letter side -1, sir.
Okay.
X y, sir. Sorry, X plus y, sir. X plus 1 y. X
Monkey,
y.
MONKEY. Reversing the letters of the word ma. YEK, YEK, NOM, YEK,
The answer is QDFHS, sir.
what ma?
Answer is QDFHS, sir.
So tiger is coded as reverse REGIT. 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 R18 E5 G7 high 9 T20. So -1 17 18 -1 4 5 -1 7 -1 6 9 -1 8 20 -1 19. QDFHS. Next one. Victory is coded as victory is coded as victory is coded as victory is coded as YLFWRUB. YLFWRUB. Then how can success be coded?
plus 2 after each letter.
Take it once more.
Yes, sir. V plus 2y, I plus 2l,
Okay. I plus 2 is L.
I j k after l, c
Plus 3,
then
sir.
d e f, t u v then after w, o p q then I, r s t then u, y after z a or after b, plus 2 after each letter.
So victory is coded as not plus 2 ma, it is plus 3. Okay, because we followed the numeric number sub letters V22 by 25, 22 plus 3. So V22, I9, C3, T20, O15, R18, Y25, YLFWRUB, Y25, L12, F6, W23, R18, U21, B2. So please understand the numeric number sub letters. So here B, A26 one cycle completed. Sorry, Z26 one cycle completed. A start with 27 and again B 28 ma. So depends on the given situation. You have to proceed.
The answer is VXFFHVV, sir.
Yes ma. So plus 3 is for each letter. First of all, note down the numeric numbers. Be thorough with all the numeric numbers of the letters.
Sir, I think there is no need to remember the numeric letters, sir, because it is some of them are +1, some of them are -1, and just Some of them are reversing. Just we have to follow some tricks is enough, sir.
It will be easy to understand, ma. Okay. Just now one of your friend gave that sir 22, 25. It means that plus 2. So his point of view is 22 to 25. V to Y, two letters are there in between. So if we have to go with the letters point of view, so plus 3 is the difference in terms of the number. But coming to in terms of the letters, only two letters is the gap between V and Y. So depends on your convenience, you will proceed. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
VX, FF, HBB. Next one. So Madras is written as DS, DS, DS. How the Madhya Pradesh be written in that code? So different logic, ma. Different logic. So MAD, RAS, DS, DS, DS repeated. So Madras contains 6 letters. DS, D is the third position letter and S is the sixth position letter.
PH, 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 PH.
No. So multiples of 3 positions. DS, the number of letters repeated.
DPDS,
DS,
DPDS.
but in Madhya Pradesh, multiples of 3. So third
Sir?
letter, tell me, ma.
Sir, DPDS, DPDS, DPDS.
Yes, ma. DPDH.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the number of depends on the number of letters in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. So third letter, sixth letter is repeated. So but in Madhya Pradesh, 12 letters are there. The third letter, sixth letter, again ninth letter and 12th letters are repeated. So DPDH, DPDH. So all of you get it, my DPDH is the answer. DPDH. Next one. These are the letters to number. Delhi is coded as Calicut is coded as 8258962. So letter to number, whether each letter representing. So please identify only one model. It will be easy to you. Just check it, ma. 73451. Calicut is coded as so whether the corresponding letter D7E3, the corresponding letter representing corresponding digit or not, you have to identify. Calicut is coded as 825-89662. So in both the statements, please identify, ma. L is the common. So L4, third place, third letter, third place, third digit, L5.
Sir, in questions, sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, in question, yes, sir, right.
Okay, L5 and L5, and coming to C, 8, C8, A2, A2. So whether it follows the corresponding digit or not, you have to check. So compulsory, because L representing 5 means in this example, anywhere L representing 5 only. So C representing 8, C representing 8, ma. A representing 2, here also A representing 2. So T6. So corresponding letter, corresponding digit. So without comparing, don't follow directly. Calicut, Calicut is coded as 82511896, like D7, E3, L5, H4, I1. These are the codes. So corresponding, ma, all letters to number related coding, same model. One more example, ma, just you have to identify. Ripple, RIPPLE is coded as RI.
It's a 318826, sir.
Sorry,
318826, sir.
good, ma. So please understand, L representing only red color, L8, L8, I representing orange color, E green color. So please identify, ma. Next one. Rose is coded as same model ma. R representing 6, O representing 8, S representing 2, and E representing 1.
The answer is 214673, sir.
214.
673, sir.
Yes, ma'am. So they given 3 statements for reference. So R representing with red color in 3 statements, E representing blue color. So please go through properly. So by using the same, chess is coded as 214673. Get it all of you? Next one. Write down. In a certain code, number 2 letter. In a certain code, 15789. Same model, whether the corresponding digit representing the corresponding letter or not. 15789 EGKPT. So whether 1 means E, 5 means G or not, please check it, ma. So 2346 means ALUR. ALUR.
The answer is ALGUT, sir.
Yes, ma. ALUT. Good. So corresponding letter, corresponding digit, correct?
Sir.
So don't lose the marks, especially for Tech Mahindra. They may give nearly 8 to 10 marks, ma. One 13479 is written as Farheen. Did you understand, ma? I hope easy topic compared with in all the topics. One A, 3Q, 4F, 7J, 9L. Identify properly. Sometimes the corresponding digit does not represent the corresponding letter. We will see those problems also. So 396824 QLP NMF.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So all of you understood, ma? QLPN MF. Am I clear, all of you? Next one. Yeah, this is called substitute coding. White is called blue. Different one. White is called blue. White is called blue. Blue is called red. Blue is called red. Red is called yellow. Yellow is called green. Green is called black. Black is called violet. Violet is called orange. Violet is called orange. Violet is called orange. So please understand, ma. Simple one, but there is a chance to get some confusion here. In general, leave it about the data. Okay. In general, what is the color of human blood actually? What is the color of human blood?
Red, sir.
Red is the
Red, sir.
answer. Okay. But in substitute coding, what is the meaning of red? What is the red called?
Sir, the answer is orange, sir. Answer is orange.
What is the red called? What is the red called, ma?
Yellow, sir.
Yellow is the answer. Okay. So what is the alternative for red? What is the substitute for red?
Yellow, sir.
Red is called yellow. So the answer is yellow. The answer is yellow.
Sir, it is orange. Why it is not orange, sir?
Sorry, ma.
Why it is not orange, sir?
White.
Why it is not orange, sir? Orange.
White is not orange, ma. White is called blue, but blue is called not white, na. Blue is not called white.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
A is called B, B is called C, but B is not called A. Okay, C is not called B. White means blue, but blue means red, ma. Red means yellow. So what exactly the answer? Red substitute is the correct answer, ma. Red is called yellow. Same, but in actual answer, if animals which can walk are called swimmers. I request everyone, instead of reading the question, instead of reading the data, first of all read the question, ma. What will a lizard be called? What will a lizard be called? So lizard is an animal which can crawl or which living in water.
Which can crawl, sir.
Which can crawl. All the animals which can crawl are called what?
Flying, sir. Flying.
Flying is the answer.
Yes, sir.
So which of the following is used for washing clothes? Generally, what is the material we are using for washing the clothes, ma?
Sir,
Which one is used for washing the clothes?
soap, sir.
Soap. But soap is called what?
Ink, sir.
But soap is called what?
Ink.
So ink is the answer. But in reality, don't use the ink to wash our clothes. Okay. Next one.
I didn't wrote the question, sir.
Huh?
I didn't wrote the question, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, just note down. So what is the, many of you lose the mark for this question mark. So please give the answer.
Yellow, sir.
Sorry, yellow.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Right.
So all of you get it, ma? Say yes or no?
No, sir.
No. So who said yellow, ma? How the yellow is the correct answer?
Sir,
Sir,
answer is
towards
First
sky
of all,
color
take the
into sky.
yeah, generally. Okay, leave it about the data. What is the color of sky?
blue.
Sky
What
color,
is the
sir.
color of sky?
Sky color.
What is the color of sky? Sky color.
Blue.
The color of sky is blue, ma. Okay, but blue is called what?
Sky.
Sky is the answer. The color of sky is sky only. So many of you, your friends from the previous batches also get the confusion for this example. Be careful. Generally, the answer for the color of sky is blue, but your blue substitute is sky. So any doubt up to that?
No, sir.
Okay. So hope very easy topic this one. Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is the only topic, ma. Easy one. So actually, along with series analogy classification, I want to go with this topic also. Any other?
Sir, that sphere, once tell me that sphere, no, sir. Circle you told, but sphere.
Same logic, ma. Whatever the logic is applied for circle, you can implement the same logic for sphere also. You have to work, ma. Okay. Then you understand what is the logic also. So any other? So who are having the class at 7:30? So please attend that class, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you very well. So tomorrow, same time for these 10-15 days. Don't put the absent because some of the important topics like percentages, mensuration, areas and volumes, permutations and combinations, probability. So these are some other topics. So everyone should give your presence. Okay.
Sir, once show the sphere, no, sir. Sphere. Answer.
In chat box is there, na?
Sir?
Tell me, ma.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, statistics subject is in our course or not, sir? Elementary statistics, because in new pattern of teachers, the most
Yes,
important
in new
topic
pattern of
is
teachers,
elementary statistics, sir.
but in our course statistics is not included, ma. Okay. Yeah,
Okay,
I
sir.
know. In TCS, statistics also gives the importance. And moreover,
Yes, sir.
don't think that the most of the questions are from statistics, ma. The most of the topics are from mensuration, permutations, probability, problems on ages, time and work. So this year they give more importance. Nearly 50 questions from both quant and reasoning together. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, be careful while preparation.
Yes, sir.
Sir, sir,
Sir, now Hexaware off-campus
sir.
drive is opening, sir.
Hexaware.
Yes, sir. For BCA 2021 pass out and BCA 2020-2021 pass out.
So do you have the link, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have that
Please,
link, sir.
please share it in WhatsApp group. Otherwise, in the chat group, I will forward it
Yes,
to
sir.
some of the students. They may help you.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Tell me, ma.
no, sir.
Sahiti.
Sir, I had a problem with the trains and the time and work concept, sir.
Okay, please post in the chat box, ma. I will give the reply to you.
Sir, the chat box is disabled for me, sir. I don't, the settings, maybe it is.
Okay. Because multiple statements are there. Tell me the problem. Otherwise,
Not one problem, sir. So some problems are there which are problematic time and work and trains concept, sir. And facing
now
problem.
I think now did you get the chat box, ma?
Sir, chatbot is disabled, sir.
To everyone.
Sir, chat
Yes, sir.
disabled by organizer, sir.
Okay, okay. 1 minute. Now,
Sir,
Disabled,
ఇంతకు ముందు ఏబుల్ అయింది సార్ ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ డిసేబుల్ అయింది సార్ ఇంతకు ముందు ఏబుల్ అయింది సార్
enable
ఇంతకు ముందు
the one.
వచ్చింది సార్ చాట్ బాక్స్
Okay, okay. 1 minute, 1 minute. Now is it okay?
ఓకే సార్
What about the remaining?
No, sir.
No. Okay, okay. Check the- I will inform to the office also. Ma. Okay, I think there is a. Any doubts regarding that? Share your questions, Sahiti, whatever the doubt you have.